So I want to talk about mirroring the geometry. So here I have an object. Now let's say I want to make the same kind of shape. I just want to flip it so that this is symmetrical. So there's a wing on each side, a tail, this front piece. It's just the same on both sides. So I've made one side of my object here, and now I want to mirror it to the other side. So I have this other object because the first step is to select these interior faces and delete them. Well, to delete them I need to press the delete key. I'm recording, so if I press the delete key it wants to stop the recording. So I've built the second object, which is the same, which shows you the face is deleted. Essentially, I just right-click, choose these interior faces, and then delete them. So now we're left with this shape here that's got those middle faces deleted. So now I want to make sure that all of the vertices that lie around this open area lie on the same x-plane, right? But if I look at this, top of the space bar, if I look at this from the top, that this x direction is the center edge, they're all aligned, they're all flat. So in order to make sure that happens, I'll go into vertex mode, either right-click and choose vertex or SF9 there. And then I'm going to select all of the vertices that lie along the middle edge. Then I'm going to select the scale tool, and I'm going to scale in the x direction all the way until this cube is all the way and can go no more. Now I know all of these vertices are aligned along the x direction. Now I can go ahead and choose my mirror, go over here to mesh, and I can mirror. And my options allow me either to cut the geometry. So if I had to have some on one side, I could cut and then just mirror this from the selected side. I don't have any geometry. I can choose flip, copy, or instance. So in this case, I just want to copy. If I just choose flip, it's just going to flip this from this side to that side. If I choose instance, it'll make an instance. The difference between an instance and a copy is the copy will have the ability to be changed, the instance will not. I'm just going to choose whatever. Copy is fine. I'm going to mirror the axis. I can choose either the world, the object, or the bounding box. I'm going to choose the world, but if I was at any kind of angle, I would choose to mirror along the along the object axis. But then I can choose the mirror axis, X, Y, or Z, on X direction. I want to combine this with the original, and I'm going to merge all of the edges along the border here. So I can choose to do nothing, not merge them, or I can choose to bridge them. In other words, if there's a gap that gets left between here, I can create polygons that connect based on that. Here, there it is. I can make most of those changes here, but you can see if I move my pivot point, I can change how that connects, right? If I move the pivot point. If I choose, instead of merge, as a bridge, that changes, it keeps the two sides the same. What makes that middle larger or smaller. When I choose merge, there's nothing, eventually it'll break them apart, but it just makes no gap between them. It keeps them selected together.